Okay, so we're going to be using base 10 blocks to do two problems, one addition, one subtraction. And we're going to start with the addition. So we have 167 plus 346. So we need to look at our place value first. We know that 7 is in the ones place, 6 is in the 10, and 1 is in the hundredths place. And the same for 346. 6 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. So we're going to start with our ones. So typically when we do 167, we would do 7 ones or 7 units. So we'll count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And for the 6, which is in the tenth place, we're going to use our longs. And 1 long is equal to 10 units, or 10 units is equal to 1 long. So in order to have 6 in the tens place, we're going to have 6 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 1 is in the hundredths place, so we're going to take 1 flat. So 10 longs equal a flat, 10 units equal a long. So we have 167. Next we're going to do 346. So 6 is in the ones place. So we're going to have 6 ones or 6 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 4 is in the tens. So we're going to have 4 longs, or 4 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 3 is in the hundredths place. So we'll have 3 flats. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add. So we're going to add our ones, or our units, first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 units. We know that 10 units equals 1 long, or 1 group of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and regroup. So we're going to count out 10 ones. And we're going to trade these 10 ones, or these 10 units, for 1 long. I'm going to add that there. Okay, so now we're going to do our longs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11. So we know that 10 longs, or 10 groups of 10, equal 1 flat, or a group of 100, or 100, 100. So we're going to take away 10 longs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we are going to swap them out for 1 group of 100, or a flat. And at this point we should have our answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats, or 5 groups of 100. We have 1 long, or 1 group of 10, and we have 3 units, or 3 ones. So our answer should be 513. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our subtraction problem. We have 235 and 197, so we're going to take away 197 from 235. So we are going to set up our 235. We're going to put 5 ones, because 5 is in the ones place, or the units place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to put 3 longs, or 3 groups of 10, because 3 is in the tens place. 1, 2, and 3. and then we're going to put 2 flats or 2 groups of 100 because 2 is in the hundreds place. At this point, we want to take away 197. So we're going to start in the 1 or the units place, and we're going to take away 7. We only have 5 units or 5 ones, so we're going to have to do some regrouping in order to subtract. So we know that 10 units or 10 ones equals 1 long or 1 group of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away, we're going to borrow from our tens place, we're going to take this long away, and we're going to add 10 to the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we can subtract, we can take our 7 ones away. So we're going to take those away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are taken away. So now we're going to move on. 9 is in the tens place. So we're going to take that away, and we look and we realize that we can't do that, so we're going to have to regroup again. So we know that 10 groups of 10 equal 100, or rather 10 longs equal a flat. So we're going to borrow from our hundreds place. We're going to pop this bad boy out, and we're going to replace it with 10 longs. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Alright, so now we can take away 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so now we're at our very last one. We have a 1 in the hundreds place. So we're just simply going to take away this flat, and at the end of it all, we have 3 groups of 10. That equals 30, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones, so 38 should be your answer.